Neetaji, can I request you to, felicitate Tapra, your own chapter chairperson. The next presentation is by Ms. Varsha Karera, chairperson, Flow, Pune. Varsha, may I request you to please come forward and start your presentation? Thank you. Pune is our youngest chapter, right? It's our youngest baby. So we look forward to what you've done and encourage you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, as she announced, we are the youngest chapter. We inaugurated our chapter on the 27th of January at the hands of Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendraji Fadnavis. We had Shayana NC, who's a spokesperson for the BJP. She herself is an epitome of women empowerment because she was a fashion designer and now she's entered active politics. During the launch, we had a lot of people coming from all over India. A big thank you to Neeta for gracing the occasion, along with 35 other members who came from all over India. That was a real honor for us. And also for members potential members who were attending that day's event, when they saw that such an active group of people from all over India have come to the launch of this event, somehow it just created such an enthusiasm among our members that today I can boast of 131 registered members. Thank you. We have also closed membership. There are another about 25 people in the pipeline, but we said no, we have to close because we don't want to take them through the year since they would miss out on the programs that we were planning to do. And since we've opened right now and we haven't had too many things, I don't have a lot to talk about, but I can tell you what we plan to do in the future. We already had one event where Dr. Jamuna Pai, the very famous cosmetologist from Bombay, came and did a book reading of her book called No One Has to Know. Our main reason for inviting her to this event was not for her to come and talk about beauty and skincare and all, but the sale proceeds of the book would go to acid attack victims. The main reason was that in some way all these victims who were unable to get into the normal life, everyday lifestyle, they were very hesitant. So she said, I will donate these proceeds to them. More than that, she's also got 4 plastic surgeons involved and she is going to do free plastic surgery for these acid attack victims. Beyond that, she said, I will train them to do skin care and take up jobs in parlors. I've seen a lot of chapters talking about that. So she has taken this upon herself to help these girls earn their own livelihood. What is on the agenda for the year is, since we have APEX, our APEX body is 50 and it's a business organization, so we in Pune thought, let's not do cooking competitions, let's not do more. A lot of people are doing that. So in Pune we already have about 4 or 5 other women's organizations, and when I was talking to Neeta ji and Malvika ji, and I was a little hesitant, I said, I don't know how many members will be able to register. But then we said, let's focus on one part of it, that is business aspect of women. And in that, we've already spoken to a couple of women for our programs in the coming. One of it is Dr. Kiran Mazumdar, who will speak on women in business. Another one, we have a lot of consultants who teach about Dr. Goldratt's theories, constraints of theories, and we want to take these up as an ongoing workshop, not a one-day event. We are going to start with one and we'll see how the response is and we'll carry it forward. Another one is we've already spoken to Zia Modi. She will be talking about how to make your will. We wanted to, a few other things are that we have marked out different fields where we want to get involved. One of them is education, and like you said, we want to collaborate with the existing ITS. The infrastructure, government infrastructure is already there in Pune, but it is in a bad shape right now. We want to revamp it. We want to work with them and get more women to skill there, because right now it is only concentrated, it's only meant for the boys. So we are going to talk to them and see if we can get more women come and work in this already ready infrastructure. In the field of spirituality also, we wanted to conduct different workshops for basically exploring emotions, relationships, resolving inner dilemmas. Like most of us at this age suddenly realize that we have nothing to do, our children have grown up and there's nothing to do. So we want to hold a lot of spirituality workshops where women can actually come out and work not only for the community at large but also make their lives more meaningful. Another thing, a very quick thing, I don't have another slide, but we are working very closely with the Pune Municipality Corporation and we are taking up projects for beautifying the Pune city and increasing tourism in Pune. Our biggest challenge right now is we do not have the FICCI office. So all the administration, back-end work has to be done on our own, and we hope that once the flow catches on, FICCI will follow. Thank you so much.
Neeta ji, may I request you to felicitate Varsha, and can I request all the members of Flow Pune chapter who are here to stand up, and we want to acknowledge your presence. The members of Flow Pune, are you here? Okay. Ladies, we have the chief guest of our next event who is already arrived here. So our one South Zone presentation is still left, and we shall continue with these presentations after the next event of awards of these women achievers. Yeah.
And the past presidents to please come down. Neeta ji, aap idhar aa jaiye niche. So we can just felicitate the past president before we move on to the other session. Come. Abha ji. Aap niche aa jaiye. Come. नहीं नीचे इधर. Because वो सब आएंगे ना. हाँ. May I now invite past President Ms. Nirmal Jain. Sir Praveen Kaur, Renuka Shah, Dr. Kusum Ansal, Indu Rani Punji ma'am, दे दिया ना? सर प्रवीण कौर को दे दिया? रेणुका शाह, डॉक्टर कुसुम अंसल मैम, आप इस साइड आ जाइए ताकि पिक्चर भी ठीक आ जाए.
हेलो स्टिल, हेलो स्टिल.
मैडम सुरेखा
क्या कर रहा है ये?
नमिता जी, हाँ नमिता गौतम जी. We are so used to calling you just नमिता जी. उषा अगर, हाँ जी. These are all past presidents of FICCI Ladies organization and who have built the organization to what it is today. Usha Agarwal ji, please come and stand. Usha ji, aa jaiye. Anuradha ji, Anuradha Goyal ji. Ranjana Agarwal ji, please come in.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
रंजना अग्रवाल जी का दे दिया।
कुसुम जी को तो मैंने बोला पहले। अच्छा अब आया।
ये ले एक और आया। भैया आप लोग थोड़ा
मैम थोड़ा
और
सीधा
घुस
खड़ा
जाओ
रहिए
अंदर।
तो आ जाएगा। नीना नीता जी, नीना मल्होत्रा जी, नीना जी। And an immediate past president, Malvika Rao. Come, Malvika ji come.
यार
नीना जी आप इधर आ जाओ।
भैया और थोड़ा आगे चले जाओ। ये देख और भी दिख रहा है।
अच्छा, now please have a nice group picture. Thank you.
यार क्या है? आगे चले जाओ भैया।
Thank you, dear past presidents, for all the guidance, all the support throughout the year. Organization, the FICCI Ladies Organization, all the past presidents.
अरे सेवडी फ्लैश नहीं मिली?
Now we will move on to the next session. May I invite Divya Suri Singh, GB member Flow, and the Executive Director of the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group to come on the dais. To have arrived. Apparently she's got a little stuck up. So what we'll do is we'll just continue with the chapter presentation before we move on to the session, because we were given the intimation that she's reached or she's reaching, so we started off with this session. Harjinder. And if you can announce till the time Poonam Mahajan comes, Chennai. So if you can start off with the South Zone presentation.
Of you. We were left with presentations of South Zone, and we would start with the presentation of Bangalore chapter. Rati is there from Bangalore. Rati, may I request you to come forward and start your presentation, please?
Good afternoon, ladies. It's a privilege to be here today to represent my chapter, Bangalore. My chair could not make it here because of some health reasons. On her behalf, I would like to thank our national president, Mrs. Neeta Bujra, and the past presidents for the wonderful support and guidance, especially that they've provided us through the year. It's been a great learning experience even for me and to all the chapter members. And I'm the incoming chair, so I look forward to the year ahead as well. But I'd let the presentation do the talking for the year that we had. Thank you so much.